What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we have another package here. This came from Emax USA. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. See what Emax gave us. Wow. So it's a toothpick class flyer here. I have no idea what the name of this thing is yet, but this thing looks awesome. I gotta say that. Wow. So it has 7,000 kV motors. Looks like they're 1103s. Wow, this thing looks really nice. Check it out. It's going to be taking two pH 2.0 connections, it looks like. Double ones. This little special connection that Emax has come up with. I don't know about this connection. Maybe it's a 1S and 2S flyer. Not sure, but I'm thinking maybe I might end up chopping this thing off and putting an XT30 on there. Not sure why they did that. We have a capacitor here. So let's see. The camera's up front and all. Looks like it's going to be a top mounted quad here. Yeah, top mounted. So let's get some of these other things out of here. So we have some props. We have the Avon props. Let me pull the props out so we can see exactly what the props look like. They look like the same props that are on. I'm not sure if these are 2.5 or are they the same. Yeah, these look like 2.5-inch props. Here, these are all props. We have a pack in here. Emax 450 1S pH 2.0 connection there. We have another one in here. So I guess this is going to be running double 450s. Emax branded on the top here for 2S performance. We have this charger here with the 2.0 connections on it. Sockets for those. 6 of them you can charge at once. And we have our little screws and grommets and all in here. So I did read up on this thing, and it's called the Tinyhawk Freestyle. So it's a StormTrooper design, they're saying. So I guess this is also going to be known as the StormTrooper, the Tinyhawk StormTrooper, or Tinyhawk Freestyle. And so these motors are 1103, 7,000 kV motors. And this thing is geared towards beginners. But it takes 2S. Supposedly no sag with these connections here. Well, less sag than 1S. So I'm really excited about this little guy and checking it out. Let's look at the weight. Here. Okay. Balanced out. We have 45 grams exactly. And so with the props on it, let's pull some props out, sit some props on it, and see what we get. I gotta say, I'm really loving the design, loving the look of this thing. So let's drop it on here with the props. 50.4 grams, and with the batteries and all up weight, we're going to be having 76.5 grams. They were saying, they were advertising 78 grams. So this is even better than what they were saying. The next time you guys see this thing, it's going to be in the air. Really awesome looking quad. Hoping it flies as awesome as it looks. Emax is killing it, man. Thanks for watching.